So today we are going to look at comparing the two numbers and using the symbols correctly to determine and show which number is bigger. So when we're adding or subtracting or doing anything like that, we always start with our smallest place value, which is our ones. And then we move to our tens, then our hundreds. Well, when we're comparing numbers, we want to start with our biggest place value, which in the case today will be our hundreds place. So these two numbers, 345 and 543. Let's determine which one is bigger by looking at our hundreds place. So we have a 3 in the hundreds place here and a 5 here. Now we can compare these two numbers to tell us which of our numbers is bigger. So in this case, it is our 543. So we're going to pick the sign that has the open side going towards the 543. And the reason we know that one is bigger is because 5 is bigger than 3. So in this one, we have 231 and 131. Let's look at our hundreds place to determine which is bigger. We have a 2 and a 1. So pause the video, come up with your answer, and then we will check it. In this case, our sign with the open side is going to be going towards our 231 because 2 is bigger than 1, and those are the number in our hundreds place. And the last one, we have 678 and 439. Look at our hundreds place. We have a 6 in one hundreds place and a 4 in the other. So pause the video and determine which one you think is bigger, and then we will check it. So in this case, our open side is going to be pointing towards our 678 because 6 is bigger than 4.